Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate Siri on iPhone 17. It only takes a few steps to set it up and start using your voice assistant. Let's get started. First, go to Settings. Next, tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. If this is your first time activating this feature, you'll see an option that says Activate Apple Intelligence. Since I already have it activated, I'll tap on Talk to Siri. Here, enable the option Press Side button for Siri by tapping the switch. Now select Hey Siri to set it up. Tap Continue and repeat the 5 phrases Siri asks you to say. Once you've finished, tap Done to complete the setup. Now Siri is ready to use. You can simply say Hey Siri or press the side button for 2 seconds to start using it. And that's it. Now you know how to activate Siri on iPhone 17.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.